Hello everyone and welcome to CyberWar. Today we are installing httpx from Project Discovery on a new Ubuntu virtual machine. We want to install it on a clean machine so that we have no issues. Hopefully, version 20. I'm gonna get a cheap one because we're not doing anything. I'm selecting all the keys so that I can connect with any of my potential platforms. All right, let's log in to my local install of Ubuntu. What I'm doing now, I'm connecting to a machine in the cloud that I just created in DigitalOcean from my local Ubuntu box, one of my local Ubuntu boxes. Here is the connect script that I'm using. Here's the IP. I might get an error first. No, it worked. Let's use screen to be able to recover the session. All right. Let's make this a bit smaller. All right. 1 second. So this is what we're trying to install, httpx by Project Discovery. Be careful, there's also a Python module, httpx, don't confuse them. But first, DigitalOcean. We need to do something to the virtual machine. Created a new user. And then I'm making it part of the sudo group. And then I change. Okay, so this is just for the purpose of installing httpx. Running an Ubuntu machine in production has more elements to it, but this is not for today. Okay, let's switch user. All right. Okay, back to httpx. No go, literally. All right. First, we need to install Go, which is like the programming language that httpx uses. Yeah, okay. So we actually need to go to the downloads page because this is just an example. You need the latest one. Okay. Don't know why, but it's stuck. Oh, seriously. No, not this one. I copy pasted it. This one. All right. So now we are installing Go, and we need to do the profile, the path. Sorry, I'm not using Nano. Well, I am if there's no choice, but all right. So we have Go. Let's go back to this. Now we can install. Now we can install httpx. Wait, until it installs, let's find something to do with it. This is the list of domains which are like targets in bug bounty programs. So you can research them, see if they have vulnerabilities. You still need to double check if you're doing any active brute force or anything like that. Because scope does change or it doesn't allow sometimes, but generally we can run httpx on them, at least httpx. It sure takes its time. We're already 7 minutes in. httpx is doing something similar to this from TomNomNom HTTP probe, but it has a lot more features and it is also updated because TomNomNom builds some great tools, but the update on those tools is sometimes, you just, if you want to see something better, you just go to the pull requests and you can, if you trust them, you can see some suggestions for his tools. All right, so httpx is taking its sweet time. I'm going to pause it and come back when it's done installing. All right, so it's downloaded. Let's do something with it. This one. Okay, so what can we do? Well, it okay. Something wrong with the path. Let's figure it out. So it finished installing, but it didn't. Okay, this is an ugly solution, but in the end I just moved the executable in a path that it knows. And now it works. But wait. No, I got the wrong version of cat. No? Oh. Okay, so the problem was that the file is not there. I was in a different directory. So you see, you have httpx installed with all the bells and whistles, and you can use all these settings here, and we can use it in our pipelines. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be making short videos about all of these tools, specifically the installation part. Thank you.